In Chinese families, stir-fry noodles can be served as a side dish that replaces rice or as a single complete dish. There are lots of versions. Today, I show you how to make the beef noodles stir-fry. Here are the ingredients for 2 to 3 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by soaking the turkey mushrooms for at least 4 hours. To prepare the beef marinade, cut the beef in 2 slices about 5 mm thick. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch that will make the beef tender. Mix all together. Let it rest when preparing the other ingredients. Press the mushrooms to remove the water. Remove their foot. Cut them into chunks. Cut the onion into chunks. Crush the garlic cloves. Peel them. Chop them. Peel the ginger. Grate it. Keep 1 teaspoon. Cut the spring onion and the cilantro into sections. Undo the noodles portions. Put them in boiling water heated over high heat. Briefly stir them and let them cook. If you use dehydrated noodles, the preparations will be the same. As soon as they come up to the surface, drain them. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is very hot, as soon as it starts to smoke, put the marinated beef. Don't stir. Let it brown for 1 minute. Flip the pieces of beef. Brown them another minute. Remove the beef, leaving the oil for the next cooking. Put the garlic and the ginger. Stir for 20 seconds. Add the onion and the mushrooms. Stir for 30 seconds. Put the noodles. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Put the beef and stir for 20 seconds. Finally, put the bean sprouts, the spring onion and the cilantro. Briefly stir and cut the fine. Serve the beef noodle for each guest. Chinese amateurs of stir-fry noodles will say that the dish is successful if they can notice the taste of the high fire. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.